Now we are starting off with another topic, that is classical chart patterns. First we will have a quick introduction. Let us understand what is a pattern. Now if you look at the charts, if you look at the movement of price, it moves in a certain typical structure. If you carefully note the structure of its movement using the swing highs and the swing lows, you will find that the structure gets repeated over and over again. What I mean to say is the way in which price moves, the way in which the price behaves, it gets repeated again and again. So we have noted these movements, these structures which are often repeated, and we call these structures patterns. Now on your screen we have got an ascending triangle pattern. As you can see, it forms the shape of an ascending triangle. Now again, this is a chart pattern. So now if we see that the price moves like this, if you connect the swing highs, it forms a straight line, this black horizontal line. If you connect the swing lows, it forms an upward sloping line. We say that this is an ascending triangle pattern because the movement of price is such that if you connect all the highs and if you connect all the lows, you get to see an ascending triangle. So when you start looking at the charts, you will find that there are many patterns which are getting formed again and again. We as traders should look to identify the psychology behind the patterns rather than trading the patterns itself. Now we will discuss many such patterns in the coming videos, but in this video we are just going to understand the broad classification of patterns, that is the bullish and the bearish patterns, or the reversal and the continuation patterns. Now let us say that the price was coming from an uptrend before the pattern. Then we saw the pattern form, and then we see that the price broke out of the pattern and continued its uptrend. So there was this uptrend before the pattern and there is this uptrend after the pattern. So we see that this is a continuation pattern. This is a continuation pattern. Now since the price has broken above the pattern and then uptrend has started, so we say that it is a bullish continuation pattern. When such circumstances occur, when the pattern is such that after the breakout we see that the trend has continued the same as it was before and it is on the upside, that is, it is an uptrend, we say that the pattern has worked as a bullish continuation pattern. Now let us say that the price had come from an uptrend, there was an uptrend before the pattern, then after the pattern the price broke below this line and a downtrend started. Now in this case the uptrend which was before the pattern got converted into a downtrend. Now we can say that this is a reversal pattern, and since it is a downtrend, now we say that it is a bearish reversal pattern. So we say that this ascending triangle has acted as a bearish reversal pattern. Now let us say that the price had come from a downtrend. There was a downtrend before the pattern and then the pattern started and the price broke below the pattern and the downtrend continued. So there was this downtrend before the pattern and now we are again seeing a downtrend after the pattern. So the downtrend was continued. Since it is a downtrend, we say that it is a bearish continuation pattern. Now let's say that the price had come from a downtrend and now after the pattern the price broke above the pattern and got converted into an uptrend. So earlier before the pattern we saw a downtrend and after the pattern breakout we saw an uptrend forming. So this is a case of reversal, and since it is an uptrend, the final conclusion is an uptrend, so it is a bullish reversal pattern. So now we are going to study many such patterns. Some patterns have the ability to act as either continuation or either reversal, either bullish or bearish. There are some patterns which cannot do so, like the head and shoulders. If we look at the head and shoulders pattern, it always acts as a bearish pattern. So all of this we are going to study in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.